Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can change vertical video, how we can convert vertical video into landscape with easy method. With the help of Filmora we can do it. So drag the video into the timeline and then right click here. Once you right click, you will see rotate 90 CW option. Just click this. So basically once you click this option, your video will be rotate to landscape. As you can see here, it's rotated. I will rotate one more time to get the correct adjustment. As you can see, now it's adjusted, but still our project setting is vertical, as you can see. So to change the project setting from vertical portrait to wild screen landscape, you have to choose this option here. From here also you can do, or else go to the file, another file, go to the project setting. Yeah, from here also you can change the aspect ratio. Okay, in this way you can change. I'm choosing this convenient option here, changing to wild screen. That's it. Project setting got changed. Now drag the video and adjust with your project setting. As you can see here, successfully we have changed the vertical video to landscape. If you play the video, you can see smoothly it's converted to the video from the shot. So I hope this video is informative for you. Please like this video, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one more video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.